What up out there, this is Robbie from Premier Lawns, lawn care company based in Belfast, Northern Ireland. Today's video is a before and an after of how to maintain the perfect lawn. This is a lawn that we came and renovated about a month ago. We aerated it, we scarified it and we overseeded it, so stick around. What up out there and welcome back. Today's job is thatch removal. Maintaining the thatch level in the lawn is key to maintaining a perfect lawn. Thatch is an organic layer between the leaves and the soil that stops air, nutrients and water getting into the roots of the lawn. It's like a sponge and it absorbs these vital ingredients, stopping them getting into the soil. This then dries out the soil underneath. This is one of the cores from underneath the lawn. We haven't aerated this lawn in a couple of years and it really needs done. You can see quite a bit of thatch in the core. We kept the core spacings tight together so as we'd pull out the maximum number of cores per square metre. Once the thatch starts to accumulate in the soil, the grass roots will have to grow in the thatch layer itself, where there's some moisture instead of in the soil. And this will only add more to the thatch layer, and from there it only gets worse. Scarification is used to rip out moss and thatch from your lawn. On finer lawns such as this, caution is required as it's easy to damage a fine lawn like this. If you're enjoying this video, if you could hit the like button down below, it really helps me out and it helps me grow my channel. Subscribe for more content like this. I post regular lawn care tips and tricks on bringing your lawn to the next level. If you have any questions or comments about this video, please leave me a comment down below. That's the first pass done with the scarifier. I'm just pulling the grass back to see how much thatch I've taken out and how hard I can be on the next pass. Scarification is very good because we're going to be doing another key step in this lawn renovation, and that is overseeding the lawn, and the scarifying creates lines that we're going to seed into next. We use a specialist pre-seeder fertiliser to feed the lawn, and then we're going to put down the seeds. For this lawn, I'm using Barnbrook A4 fine turf grass seed. I'm going to put the cultivars on the screen now. The A4 fine turf grass seed is a classic 100% fescue mix. It gives off an excellent appearance and it is very tolerant of drought conditions. And it's an excellent choice for a high quality lawn such as this. On closer inspection of the lawn, you can see the lines created by the scarifying, and the seed finds its way into those lines, and that gives the seed somewhere safe to grow and to germinate.